Good morning. My name is BERNADETha JINGGA from Logistic Engineering. At this time, I will present the business plan that I have made. I create a startup business that I named Maguru. Before I present what Maguru is, let me give a review of the presentation that I'm going to do. First, I will present the background of the idea of forming Maguru. Second, I will present what Maguru is, the solutions, developers, and the target market. Third, I will present about the analysis. Lastly, I will present the required budget. Okay, we will go into the first part. Here I will explain about the problem behind the formation of the startup. In this first problem, I take a very big problem that is happening at this time and affecting our world today. Yes, this is a pandemic. During a pandemic, learning together is hard to do. Then, currently the use of online-based technology is very useful, especially in the teaching and learning process. The third problem is, in some people, learning by listening is better than reading, especially in science that requires rote memorization. And the last problem is, sometimes we cannot get or buy books, so lesson notes or material summaries are very important to help learning. I will tell you about Maguru. Maguru.com is a technology startup company engaged in education. Maguru as a forum for students to the general public to get various summary, lesson through study notes, learning video, and learning podcasts. Maguru can provide your study partner and assistant to help facilitate campus assignment. Maguru also help college students earn extra income by selling lesson summaries or various material, or you can share them for free. This is a facilities of the Maguru. First is message. You can use this feature to connect with study friends. Second is podcast. You can use this feature to share or listen to podcasts about this learning material. Podcast can be live or recording, and live chat or comment to comment on. Each podcast can be saved. Money. Every user can make money to publish notes. Money can be made by watching ads or by buying lesson notes. And the last is search engine. This machine serves to make it easier to find material related to entering keywords. And this is a organizational structure of the company. First is CIO, Chief Executive Officer. In our company, the CIO position is filled by JINGGA. Second is CTO, Chief Technology Officer. In our company, the CTO position filled by Dina. And then CFO, Chief Financial Officer. In our company, the CFO position is filled by Dina. And then CMO, Chief Marketing Officer. In our company, the position of CMO filled by Dina. And then COO is Chief Operating Officer. In our company, the COO position is filled by Riri Ariri. And then Deputy Sales is filled by Dono Hartono. This is a market segmentation. The main target in marketing the startup is college students, as well as other target are students at various levels to the general public who need this platform. And this is a level of competition. In the outermost circle is the budget competition. The product is individual blog website. And then the next circle, one level inside is the generic competition. The product is free ebook site, Google Cendekia, and Brandly. And the next circle is two level inside is. This is a product class or category competition. The product is script.com and academia.co.id. And the last is inner circle is a product from competition. The product is Uang Guru. This is a marketing effort. First is backlink. Second is submitting website to local register. Third is we can use Google Ads or Facebook Ads and others. Okay, this is a production of Maguru. First is looking for resources to create a startup, ranging from capital cost to human resources. Second is build. Building a website is the first step that must be done with easy and attractive technology. And initial, provide initial services and products to attract visitors by making a minimum target audience from managing startup development. And then a development. In the future, the startup will develop application to make it easier for customer to access them. This is the stage. To find or stage of business competition, 5 criteria are used. This analysis uses qualitative data from respondents who explore these 5 criteria. First is unique, is a 90%. Second is difficult to replicate, is 80%. And then superior to competition is 75%. Sustainable is 75%. And applicable to multiple situations is 75%. This is a weakness. One of the weaknesses of this startup is that the profits generated are still relatively low. This can happen because this company is still a startup. And then this Maguru still need development related to the technology that is implemented into it. The design that is easy to access the features also still need to be improved in the future. And this is their opportunity. Okay. In the pandemic era and in the future technology, development has a great opportunities, especially technology that help connect one another, including developing learning technology to have distance learning. Since Maguru main function is to help distance learning, Maguru gets a great opportunity to survive in future. Okay, this is the initial funding. The cost required to build this startup is 16,290,000. Maybe the cost may increase depending on the needs. Okay. This is a break-even point. Income is derived from advertising and sales of 2D material summaries. $1 earned from 1,000 visitors. If we assume the number of visitors per month is 160,000, according to the maximum number of visitors provided by the hosting service, we will get 2,279,976 per month. Summaries is valued at $0.2 per one summaries. If estimate in 1 month is that 100 study material summaries can be sold, then we will get 284,990 rupiah. Then the total per month is 2,560,973 rupiah. This income is then reduced by the monthly operational cost to get the amount of profit. Then the monthly profit earned is 1,934,973 rupiah. With that much profit, we can reverse the capital in the 9 months. That's the presentation that I can convey. I apologize if there are coming when I deliver the presentation. Thank you for your attention. Good morning.